going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I trade the stock market every day on a daily basis. So yeah, but before I do that, I want to show you guys this website. These are the ticker symbols that are going to be delisted. Because of this, I want to show you guys other ETFs with inverse pairs that you can trade. This is a picture that I find really useful, and maybe you will too. It shows the ETF and the inverse. So we have all these: natural gas, crude oil, we have gold, silver, and a bunch of others. You guys could screenshot this. This is very useful. And I also have this other one, which is every sector, and they're leveraged ETF. So we have everything from 3x to negative 3x, 2x. So yeah, I find these really helpful. I'll have both of these pictures in my Discord server, so if you guys want to join it, it's going to be the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys how I trade almost every day. So what I like to do is trade gold. So what I like to use is Dust and NUGT mostly. You can do JDST and JNUG, but I just find more value in these top two. So what I like to do is every day I like to, since I can't look at futures in Webull, I just use this website called investing.com. Which is very useful. I'll leave it in the description as well. So basically you have all of these, like the overall markets and how they're doing. So yeah, it gives you a ton of information. So let's see, commodities, gold. Overall, gold is very overbought, but it does make sense. And what it's known for is having a sell-off, so, as you can see here, right? So knowing that gold is almost at an all-time high and that it's known for selling off, I might want to look at Dust, which is the inverse of overall gold. So when gold futures goes up, NUGT goes up. But when gold goes down, Dust goes up. So if I think that gold futures is going to go down a bit, I might want to focus on Dust and have a position. So what I like to do is I like to have alerts ready so that if a reversal is forming, and if I want, I could, I can buy it. So that's basically all I do. I like to trade these two, and yeah, that's what I do on a daily basis. But I also have a watch list of other stuff like CCL. I like trading CCL once in a while, but trading gold is what I like to do, and it works for me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please join my Discord server. It's going to be in the description. Drop a like, and thank you for watching.